Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to add Redux supported form in React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. To begin with, let's open command prompt and go to project location. Run the command as shown in video to install React Redux form. Let's add a new file newsletter component in components folder. Let's copy-paste the contact component and update for newsletter accordingly. Remove the state and methods except handle submit as shown in video. Just keep one field, checkbox, and button to submit. Also, remove the HTML content above the form. Update the header to subscribe, keep email field, update checkbox field. Also, remove unnecessary imports. Let's add the newsletter component in the bottom of home component. Remove form feedback and replace form by local form, as Redux supports local form. Local form uses row instead of form group, so let's replace it. Instead of input, use local form controls. Do the same for rest as well. After updating, remove prevent default from handle submit and update the alert. Let's correct the imports and refresh our browser. We can see the newsletter form at the bottom of homepage. Add some constant to validate the form data like required, min length, max length and valid email. Now add these validators to the form control for email. Add errors component below this form control, to display error if validation failed and specify error for each validation. Also update checkbox input as form control. Let's refresh and check the newsletter. Now enter some data in field and check all validations. Also, test the form for valid data. So, we have seen how to add Redux supported form in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.